how to log into your Square Enix account on a new device. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply open any sort of browser. I'm using Chrome browser, and in here on the search bar, simply search for Square Enix. So after doing that, click on this first link that you'll be able to see right here. That will get into official Square Enix website, right? Then from here, what you're going to do is simply click on the profile icon that you'll be able to see on the top right corner right here. Then from here, simply click on log in. So after clicking on login, all you need to do is add in your email address and the password to your account. Then click on login in order to log into your account, right? But in case if you have used any of those platforms to sign up your account, then you can simply click on those platforms like your Google ID. It could also be your Apple ID, Facebook, or your X ID. Simply click on them in order to log into your account, go along with their process to add in their own credentials, right? So in here, if you select this option, remember me, you will actually be remembered by this website whenever you try to log in the future too. So if you want that, you can simply click that option. And in case if you have forgotten your credentials of your account, you can also click on the option can't access your account right here, and then you can add in your email address, click on continue, and go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover it. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.